Today we're going to take the exhaust on my 2018 Mustang from mostly stock to extreme, thanks to Corsa. This is the Corsa Xtreme Cat-Back, fitting your 2018 Mustang without the active exhaust, or any 2015 through 2017 GT with the Roush Quad Tip Valance. This is made of a 304 stainless steel with mandrel-bent pipes with a 3-inch diameter, and your choice of either the black chrome or a normal chrome tip. This system is a direct replacement for your factory Cat-Back and features an industry-first double X-plate for a real nice aggressive sound under acceleration, but also has their patented reflective sound cancellation, which will get rid of any kind of drone on the highway. This high-quality system is made right here in the USA and will connect to your factory mid-pipes. For this installation, a lift or a jack and jack stands, 3/8 ratchet, 13mm socket, 15mm socket, 6-inch extension, and a swivel. We have our carpenter lift. Now, we've already changed the exhaust out on this car a couple times. So we're going to show you some stock footage of how to remove the factory exhaust before we begin our Corsa installation. The removal of the 2018 exhaust is once again a two-man job, but very easy to do. You're going to loosen the clamps up here, remove these 2 bolts for these rear brackets, pull these hangers off, and you can slide the whole thing off as one piece. To begin the installation, with the system being a 3-inch system, it includes these adapters, and these are going to go down from the factory size up to the 3-inch X-pipe. All right, with the adapters on, now we can put the double X-pipe into place, and you want to make sure the support bracket on the back of the X-pipe is facing down. We'll just get these snug for now. The X-pipe mounted, now we can work on the muffler assembly. We're going to start by putting a clamp up on the X-pipe, and then put the muffler up into place, again attaching the factory bracket that we removed from the factory system. And start by putting it into the rear hanger first. And we'll just snug the clamp down. I'm going to repeat the process with the other tailpipe muffler assembly. All right, everything mounted, you're going to grab your tips, put the clamp on the tip, put it up into place. We'll tighten down the clamp here, then go back through and adjust everything else. Reinstall both bolts on the rear subframe bracket, and then we're going to go back through, adjust everything, and do our final tightening. And your installation is finished. So our Corsa Performance exhaust went together easily and fits great. Now let's hear how it sounds. The Xtreme name absolutely fits perfectly. I mean, this is a loud exhaust. Now, the Corsa Xtreme, I had run this system with a single tip version before. I had it on my 2015 for a while, so I'm very familiar with it, and I kind of knew what to expect. You know, I knew it was going to be loud, I knew it would be You know, I knew what I was getting into with it, and yeah, it sounds awesome on the 18 as well. I mean, obviously it's a quad tip, isn't a huge difference from the single tip sound-wise, but if you're looking for a louder system, I mean, the Xtreme definitely gets it done. Now, the nice thing though is, again, with this, because of the system they use, highway speeds, it's quiet. I mean, you barely can even hear that it's back there. It sounds almost stock. But as soon as you rev it up just a little bit, you know, it gets loud in a hurry. Yeah, the Xtreme is, it is, if you want to get noticed, this is a system you definitely want to look at. I mean, you know, the name definitely tells it all, and I know you're all asking, hey Bill, is it aggressive? Yeah, absolutely. If you're looking for an aggressive sounding system, this would definitely be at least a 4 on the 1 to 5 scale, if not higher. It is going to be up there for sure. But the tone is nice. I mean, I've always found the Corsas are a little higher pitched, but I think they sound really good with the Coyote engines. Now, one of the things we do with these installation videos is we do sound clips on our parking lot. You guys have all seen them. You know, we start from a dead stop, go across the parking lot a couple times. You can always tell when we have a loud system, because that's when the doors of the warehouse start opening and people stick their heads out to see what the hell's going on out there. The Xtreme has that effect. Everybody hears it and kind of looking to see what it is. Now, if you want to be heard, this is a good choice. The name Xtreme couldn't be more fitting for this Corsa exhaust. I mean, it looks great, it fits great, it has a really great sound to it. If you want loud, this is the way to go. But the nice thing with this, get on the throttle, it's got that real loud, aggressive tone. Cruising on the highway though, you have no drone, and it's actually very, very livable and sounds really, really good. The installation is just like every other Cat-Back, 1.5 to 2 hours. We'll be back on the road in no time.